Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to decorate with all of my thrifted art, and we're going to jump right into this video. So I'm going to show you guys how to use a leveler, a laser leveler. I'll also show you guys how to get your picture frames up on the wall without putting a million holes in. Some measuring tricks that I have up my sleeves. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into today's decorate with me. Alright, so the next area is going to be this empty wall over here. So we had kind of measured where we wanted to go ahead and put certain paintings on this one and then on that area as well. I am going to use this leveler that I got for Scott for his birthday, so maybe it was more of a birthday present for me. But let's go ahead and see if we can get this one adjusted. So, if you look over here, it says that there is it's very hard to tell. Let's see, there's a locked and unlocked version. I'm going to go ahead and unlock that. And then you see how it goes ahead and it levels where on the wall I want it to be. So now it's just where do I want to center my painting. So I'm going to move it that way. I think this is how I want it, but let me go ahead and check real quick as far as length, because I want to go ahead and measure how much I want my painting to come down. So now that I have measured where I want on the laser leveler, I am going to take my measuring tape and I'm going to measure from here up to the tallest point. Since this one has a hanging wire, that's the only thing you want to know where your peak is. So if this is where my peak is going to be, I have like these picture frame hooks. You can get this at your hardware store, you can get them at Hobby Lobby, Amazon, wherever you have. These just happen to have came with our house. A lot of the people that were here before us had left a lot of just like, I don't know what you would really call it, hardware. We're gonna go with that. So this is where my peak is, and then if you notice, this is where the hole for the nail goes through, so that's where you want to measure for your tape. So I went and measured the base of my painting to the top point where I would be placing the nail head in, and it came to about 2 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this right here on our wall, and then we're going to check back with the laser leveler. So now I have gone ahead and measured from the base of the leveler 2 feet up. So my mark is right in here, and that's where we're going to hang our picture. So as you guys can see, I marked it with a pencil. I like using a pencil rather than a pen or a marker, even though that's where the hole's going to be. I just like to do it so that way I can always erase it if that's not exactly where I need it to be. But yeah, I love how this painting just kind of gave life to this corner, and I can't believe that I just got this painting for $19.99. So for on this side, we are going to not be using the leveler or the laser leveler. We'll be using a hand one just to make sure all of our paintings are straight and leveled. But I'm using a gallery wall kind of idea over on this side. I had a few paintings that I thought would look good together when rearranged. One of them, I don't quite have a picture or any kind of art inside of it yet. I do need to get the matting so that way I can add it. I have a piece that my dad had took a long time ago, back in the 50s I think, or the 60s in New York, and it's black and white and it's really pretty. I think it would go great up on this wall, and it'll also just remind me of him when I look at it. But here I wanted to show you guys real life how it took me forever to figure out how I wanted this to go, and that's why I use a pencil, because if I don't like it, I can go ahead and just erase the line, no big deal, no harm, no foul. But yes, I love how this corner is coming along, and I can't wait until Christmas because I feel like this is going to look great with decorations and such and all the different colors of Christmas. Let me know how you guys feel. Alright, next up is this area leading into our bedroom. It's this hallway that you can see from in the pool area. So we have these two French doors that open up in this area, so you get a lot of light. But I thought, how great would it be to put a gallery wall over here? So when you're sipping, drinking your coffee, or when you're having a conversation in this area, you'll be able to look at some great art. So we're going to start off with this large painting that I got at the estate sale just because I needed it up higher so that way there wouldn't be a ton of glare, because everywhere I put it in our house, because we have so much natural light, it glared. But I thought if I put it up here and I make a gallery wall of it, I can put it up higher than all the other locations where it would have to be centered in the wall or a portion of centered in the wall. So I'm also trying to figure out how I want these two little boys to go. I really like them. One I got from the estate sale and one I got from Women in Distress. And I love the frame and the art inside of it. So I just can't believe how this art is reformatting our house. And it just gives me so much joy to put these up on our wall. So I wanted to apologize to you guys for some of the blurring, just because the focusing of the camera in such a tight area of our hallway, it's hard to get a good angle. But here I have another frame that I am hanging up. It has palm trees going, or inside of it going vertically, but because I'm hanging it horizontally, you will see it looks a little odd. But I will also be replacing the art in this frame with something else that we have at home. So we are here in our master bath, which we really haven't done a lot in this bathroom or in our master suite at all. So I have a few paintings left and I was thinking about placing them here. There's like this area above the toilet. I know that sounds really weird to say like an area above the toilet, but there isn't really much wall space besides this blank spot here. And I tried it on this wall and it just doesn't really sit right because I think this area is too big. Eventually we will be renovating this bathroom. I just don't know when that will be or when life will permit it to happen. But for right now, I just figured we had a few paintings left, and these, I had 3 left. So these 2, and then this long silk painting left, or silk print. And I was thinking that they would look really nice right here. So I'm gonna try and see if that's where I want to put it. I really don't have any other options, so that's where it's going. And yeah, let's get into it. So guys, we are approaching towards the end of this video, and I really hope this video gave you guys some inspiration to look at art in, thrift stores or yard sales, and even if it's just for the frames, but to how it can re-transform your home into a different space. So even if you're going through a season where you just don't like the art in your home anymore, you can always change out the framing, or look for something that's very inexpensive at a thrift store to enjoy in your home. And this is also something that I said to myself, because here in this bathroom, didn't really think about putting paintings or any kind of artwork in here until maybe after we renovated. But I don't know when that time's going to be, and in the meantime, I really want to enjoy this art, and I really want to enjoy how it's making our home a home. And I just hope this inspired you guys to do so as well. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for stopping by today and spending time with me. In the next couple of videos, I will be starting to decorate for fall, so I really hope you guys subscribe and put on your notification bells, so that way you guys will be able to enjoy the videos that are coming up soon, as well as the tablescape that I'm going to do for Friendsgiving. I'm still looking at the thrift stores and seeing what other inspiration I can get, so that way I can also give that to you guys as well here on my channel. Alright, well, I hope you guys have a great weekend or the rest of your week, and I will see you guys in the next one.